Hi, it's the in front of me Motorola Moto G73 and I'll show you how to change icon shape with the X-Icon Changer app on this device. So we should first open the Play Store application and in the search bar we should enter the X-Icon Changer app. So now we should get this first application, that's why tap to install button and wait a couple of seconds while this application will download in and then installing on your device. After that, click to open the app. And here we should just see all of the available applications on our device, which icons we can change. For example, let's use the YouTube icon, YouTube application. If you wanna rename it, just click here on this name. To change icon, we can use the library with different folders of the app. If you wanna just use the advanced pack, you should watch the videos here. Also, we can use photos from our device gallery or just to take a picture in camera app right now. For example, I'll use one from these icons in library. For example, that will be the YouTube application. So let's use, for example, this icon. Then just tap on the right upper corner to OK. Now we should watch our video. We should skip this video. Then just click here to add to home screen, and now we can change next icon by the same way or just to go to the desktop. Now we can see here our new icon on the home screen. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.